Hi, in this video today I'm going to show you the different parts of your Sony headphones. This is the model number here. Now we have right here for over your right ear and left here for over your left ear, but there's an actual tactile dot just here that you can just feel, and that will let you know which one is your left ear without looking. The Bluetooth antenna is built into this area here on the left earpiece. You will see a little N down here. That's for the NFC, the near field communications area here, for things like easy Bluetooth pairing with your mobile phone. We can adjust the length of the headbands on the left and the right hand side by using these sliders. If you look closely here, you can see two microphones, one here for the right hand side and one here for the left hand side. This is for the noise cancelling feature, so this will pick up external noise when you're using the noise cancelling feature. On the right hand earpiece here, we have a touch control panel. This will allow you to swipe things like volume up and volume down and other Bluetooth features. On the left earpiece here, we have a custom button. You would use this if you want to play around with the settings of your noise cancelling or ambient control. Next to the power button, there's a little indicator light that's currently flashing blue. So it will let you know different things. For example, if you press it, it's going to read out the percentage of the battery left and it will flash blue. If it flashes red, then I know that I need to charge these up. As just mentioned, this here is your power button on the left headset. On the right headset, we have a USB-C port. So with USB-C, you can charge it either way round. So it can go in this way or this way. And also next to it, there's a little light here. And you can see now that it's red because that indicates that it's charging. On the left earpiece here, we have a 3.5mm jack at the bottom. So you would use this if you wanted to have a wired connection rather than a Bluetooth connection. If you have a look closely, you can see the voice pickup microphones. If you're using these to speak on the phone, these are the microphones that's going to pick up your voice. We have one here, we have one here, and one round here as well. Just on the left-hand side, not on the right-hand side. And if you're wondering what this thing is inside the left earpiece, this is your proximity sensor. So this detects whether the headset is worn on the ears or not. So when this is covered up, it knows you're wearing them. When it's not covered up, it knows you're not wearing them. So that's it. That's the features and the buttons on a Sony WH-1000 XM4 headset. Thanks for watching.